Hold on, bro. I'm playing that brat, but yo, I got a deal today. I can't lowball today, fam, because it's somebody that works at a store. He's selling me some quick steals, you feel me? Some quick flips. Selling me some Lightning 4s, some Fire Red 4s, and some Air Maxes that are brand new. He's selling me both of the 4s $150 each, and the Air Maxes for $100. You feel me? So everything's way under market. Like I'm gonna make profit off of each pair. Just know that. I don't know if I'm gonna sell each today or if I'm gonna keep the Lightnings because they are my size. But yeah, we about to pull up right now. We're 9 minutes away from the destination he wants to meet at. Oh shit, it's good, bro. It's weird seeing you out of daily.
Out of daily, right? Not on the clock today.
I'm dead, bro.
Coming up. These are just extra shit I had, so that's why I'm telling.
I'm trying to get the lows.
The lows? Oh, but you know, price sometimes a little.
Yeah. Yeah, I seen you at a pair for like 1,200 or some shit like that.
Yeah, 200. So
I live so far,
I think
fam.
10?
Yeah. I needed that shit. Yeah.
Alright, Cash App works. I mean, normally doesn't, but like, I fuck with you, so
Yeah.
But I had like 8 pairs of those I bought when I came out. I thought they're gonna flip. Did not flip. Freaked out. Yeah. What's over the YouTube?
Yeah.
Good?
Hell yeah.
But you get paid off the ads?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a 9.
Oh shit, I'm tripping. I looked at market on a 10. But I looked at market on a 10 on these too, bro. Because I'm thinking like,
yeah, I didn't the ship.
I ain't gonna lie, fuck it, man. You said, how much was it in total?
So 150 on 50, and 100 that's 4.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. 400 right there. Go ahead, count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it good?
Alright, bet, bro. Stay safe, bro.
Stay safe. 38, and then he saw the condition on him. He's like, I only pay like 32 because I wrote on them.
Oh.
So he offered me like 32 written on them. So I'm like, because they're clean, I just wrote on them. So that's the only problem. I don't know if you care. You know that, right? I wrote on them.
I don't think I wrote that shit.
Yeah.
But how much?
I don't know if you want them. They're still. He offered me 3K and I wrote on them.
This was an old video and I already posted like me selling the shoes in an event. So let me just tell you right now, I sold both of the 4s for $220 each. That's $70 profit each pair. And then I sold the Air Maxes for $120. So that's $20 profit right there. That's a total of $160 profit off of this deal from this video. Yes, sir. Let's go on to the next deal. Y'all boys stay tuned. I don't know what happened with this clip, but there's no sound for this whole clip, fam. So let me just do a voiceover. I went to this store looking for steals. I saw these off-white rubber dunks. I think that's what they're called. He wanted $330. You feel me? That's a little out of my price range, but you already know I'm going to keep looking. I saw some black cat 4s. He said he wanted $240 for these, fam. That is a steal. Off rip, I don't even have to look at market. I already know $240 with original box is a steal, fam. So you already know I'm gonna put these to the side and try and offer him on them. You feel me? They a little used, but still they're black cat 4s, fam. Bro. What's your lowest on the black cat 4s? 225. Damn. 220. I caught the black cats right now. 220. 220
for the black cats?
Yeah. Alright, for sure. Who's there? I just need some shit, bro.
Let me see it real quick so I can make a video.
Yeah, for sure.
How long you been on YouTube?
Like a year now.
Decent. For
sure.
I have another shipment coming in. More pairs.
I'm gonna come back, bro. I'm always in Hialeah and shit.
That looks like too.
sure.
Usually, a lot of things don't really make it to the Instagram.
Yeah.
So if you just walk in,
Just
like
walk
in
randomly?
type shit is usually when.
Lightness. Shit, you got any more lightnings?
That's the only one. I could do 280 on that one.
You wanna do like 260?
270.
Yeah, coin flip 260, 270.
I can't go that low.
Damn, bro.
270, you're not gonna find it at that price.
Shit, I got you 270. I got you 270. Damn, bro, that's crazy. I need a. And the Red Thunders, fam. You wouldn't do like 280?
I wish. I wish I paid that myself.
Yo. Let me check it.
9.
What's the lowest you do?
260.
250?
260.
Damn, Black Lives Matter, bro. Black Lives Matter.
260 is the best I could do.
260.
Trying to make something because I flew all the way to Atlanta to buy shoes and that was like one of the last ones. I'm surprised that shit hasn't even sold.
Yeah, I got you 260. I got you 260. Most def. Bro, I'm dead ass cashing out, fam. Like, I don't even know how much in my wallet. I'm just grabbing shit, bro.
Black hat, right?
260, yeah.
Let's do this math. Yes, sir. 260 for the Pandas plus 270 for the Lightnings. That's 530 plus the 220 for the Black Cats equals, come on, 750. I paid a total of 750 divided by 3. That's 250 each pair. If you're asking why am I paying so high, I'm going to raffle each of these pairs. I didn't notice at first, but if you could see the front of my car, somebody hit into that shit trying to park, fam. What the fuck? This shit crazy. What the fuck? Nigga. What the hell? Oh, hell no. What the fuck is happening? The fuck? Oh, shit. What the actual fuck? After realizing somebody hit into my car and drove away without me even knowing, fam, all I could do was just get back in my car and drive away. Like, I really thought to myself, like, I'm blessed, fam. Like, I'm really blessed. You feel me? Just gotta take one for the team, bro. I really had to take one for the team. I can't even be mad, bro. Sheesh. Bro, if you know you can't drive, stop driving. Please, just please stay home. You feel me? Take a Uber or something. If you can't park a car in a parking spot, don't even try and get your license. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your boy, Trash Atlanta. Resources at my band at d.s.d.I.d. Also me on TikTok at d.s.d.I.d. And my raffle page at pp_raffles. I made a total of 160 on the first deal, and I raffled off the Black Cats and also the Lightnings. So I made a total of $573 profit from the Black Cats and the Lightnings in a raffle, plus the 160 from before. Total of $733 profit from all the deals in today's video. Watch your ads, watch your ads.